So, James, based on the study, one of the questions would be what kind of fitness and health benefits would a typical person whose strength increases with 50% have?
It's an interesting question. It's a difficult question to give a very specific answer to. Um, but I think generally, people are going to. I mean, 50% is a substantial improvement in strength. I mean, even 30% is a huge improvement when you think about it. And those individuals who are seeing strength gains ranging over that, which is what we observed in the study, um, they're going to be having substantial improvements in all likelihood in their ability to perform and engage in daily tasks and function. You know that strength that they're developing is going to have some degree of transfer into their ability to maintain their daily function and engage in motor tasks. It's they're in all likelihood as well maintaining building and maintaining some degree of muscle mass to accompany that as well, and that's going to have profound metabolic impacts as well. It's going to help them maintain a degree of insulin sensitivity and glucose regulation, which helps to reduce their risk of type 2 diabetes. um, Resistance training has been shown to be associated with reduced risk of cardiovascular morbidity and mortality as well. There's a whole host of things that are associated positively with engagement and resistance training. But I think the real tangible benefit here, associated with the strength improvement specifically, is really maintaining that daily function as a result of maintaining strength.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah, because often people ask, well, what's the relation between strength and the other benefits? And yeah, it remains a question that's requiring quite a bit of answering.
Mm. I think as well, it's interesting when you think about the role that strength might play across different parts of the life course. So, of course, for those who are older, where function may be beginning to decline, it has a real obvious impact on that specifically. But there's some suggestion that just having high levels of strength from early in life helps to maintain and protect against all cause mortality risk in the future as well. And so there have been some arguments to say that younger individuals should engage in increasing their strength as much as possible because that may give them what some refer to as a kind of physiological headroom. They've got kind of more in the bank, so to speak, that they can draw down upon as they age, and they reduce their risk of kind of ever hitting that potential loss of independence as they go older if they keep their baseline as high as possible from the beginning and then are able to maintain it as best as possible over time.
Yeah. So you're saying we should also really get younger people into the Fit 20 training.
Absolutely.